Lot 201, the 1957 Mercedes Benz 190 SL, titled in fact for 1958. Can you imagine a more stunning color? You'll see it in just a minute here. Graphite gray over lipstick red. As it was delivered new to Los Angeles, it's complete with a soft top and restored hard top as well.
Very, very attractive color combination, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to open the bidding here. What do we say? $60,000 on the 190 SL. Opening bid of 60. Thank you, sir. $60,000. Do I have 80 now? 80 now. 80 now. On my right at 80,000. Do I have $100,000 now? 100,000. Right ahead of me at 100,000. 120 now. 120. I got $100,000 bid here. Do I have $120,000? I'm selling the car right here in front of me at $110,000. 120, sir. 120, thank you, much obliged. At 120,000, he's back in with me at 120. Do I have $130,000? 125, 130, sir. 130,000, 135, then. 135, 135, thank you. 135,000, 140,000, thank you, sir. 140, 145. Nope. Well, at $140,000 only, ladies and gentlemen, I'm selling the car right here in front of me, and it's 145, thank you. 150, sir. 150, thank you. 150, 155. Nope. Well, we tried. At $150,000 right here in front of me, selling the 190 SL all the way. It's going for the first time. At $150,000, it's going for the 155. You better. 155, 160, sir. 160,000, thank you. 160, 165, sir. Much obliged. 165, 170. 170,000, I bid right here in front of me. 175. Thinking time. 175,000, 180,000, sir. Might as well. You've come all this way. $180,000 right here in front of me at 180,000. Do I have 185? At 185,000, thank you. 185, 190. We're at 185,000 then. I'm 190, thank you. 190, how appropriate. The 190 SL for $190,000. Very appropriate. But I would go 195, be daring, be different. At $190,000 that I'm selling right here, it's going for the first time. It's going for the second time, third and last time. At $190,000, are you sure? Sold your car, well done, for $790,000.